Exercise 8.4 NCRT. Express the trigonometric ratios sinA, secA and tanA in terms of cotA. Means convert this sinA into cotA, same way secA also and tanA also. Now first we take this sinA. Now sinA is equal to, formula for sinA is equal to 1 upon cosec A. 1 upon cosec A. Now this cosec A we again reduce to square. Therefore we write here 1 upon square root of cosec square A, because we know the formula for this cosec square A. Therefore we write here sin A is equal to 1 upon square root of, we use here identity for cosec square A, that is 1 plus cot square A. Means we convert this sin A in the form of cot A. Then our second, that is sec square A. What is sec square A? Now this sec A, we first convert this into sec square A. Therefore here we write sec square A but in square root. Means sec A we convert to square root of sec square A, because we know the formula for sec square A. That is, we write here, therefore this square root of sec square A we write the identity 1 plus tan square A. This is identity. Now we apply formula for this tan square A. Therefore we write square root of 1 upon 1 plus, we convert this tan into cot, because we want all these trigonometric ratios in the form of cot A. So we write this way. Now again we do here cross multiplication, 1 into cot square A, means cot square A, plus 1 into 1, here plus sign, so I have written here plus, upon 1 into cot square A, means cot square A. Now here we write sec A is equal to, sec A is equal to, see this carefully. Now we write here square root of cot square A plus 1 as it is, and we know square root of cot square A, that is cot A. This is square root of cot square A. Now third one, that is we reduce this tan A into cot A. Now we know that formula for tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. This is formula for tan A. This way we reduce sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A.